In today's video, I'm going to be walking you through step by step on how to use the Cyberghost VPN on Android. So if you have an Android phone and you want to use the Cyberghost VPN, watch this video step by step because I'm going to be walking you through how to use the Cyberghost VPN on Android. Now, although I'm using a PC, but the steps are the same. So pay attention. So I'm going to be walking you through with your Android phone. So the first thing you have to do is that you have to have an account with Cyberghost VPN. Now, in order to have an account, I'm going to walk you through. The first thing you need to do is to come over to Cyberghost VPN. I'll leave the link to Cyberghost VPN in the description of this video. Know that it's a discount link, which means that if you use the link in the description, you're going to get a massive discount on your purchase. So once you're signing up, make sure you use the link. Once you click the link, you get to this page right here. So the first thing you're going to do, you have to click on this get it now. So you click on this button right here, and then it's going to show you the different plans for CyberGhost VPN. Now, as you can see right now, they have the 1 month plan. They also have the 2 years plan right here. At the same time, they also have the 6 months plan. So whichever one works for you, make sure you choose the plan that works for you. Then once you've chosen it, the next thing you're going to do is to click on the continue to check out. You're going to click on the continue to check out right here. So once you've clicked on the continue to check out right here, you led here, you can use your credit card or a debit card to sign up. I used the debit card and it still works. I'm going to be logging into my account to show you in just a minute. But this is what I actually did. Put in your email and then your card name and your card number and all of that. And then once you're done, what you just simply do is to click on the subscribe, and then they'll let you create your account with the CyberGhost VPN. At the same time, you can also pay with PayPal and also pay Bitcoin as well. So whichever one works for you. So I'm going to assume that you've created your account. So once you've created your account, the next thing we are going to do, I'm going to try to log into my account. I'm going to go here to this my account. So pay close attention. Like I said, I already have an account on the CyberGhost VPN. So as you can see, I'm already logged in with my account. So what's going to happen right now is this. What's going to happen, guys, right now is that we're just going to come over to the download hub right here. So if you click on the download hub right now, it's going to be showing you where you can download different softwares for the CyberGhost VPN. Now, what we are going to look for is we are going to come down here to where it says CyberGhost VPN for Android. Remember, we want to be able to use the CyberGhost VPN for Android. Now, I'm assuming you already have an account and you're using your Android phone. So, on the website right here, as you can see on the website, just come over here and then click on this Get It on Google Play. You can get it on the Google Play Store. So make sure you're using an Android phone. Then you click on the get it on Google Play Store right here. So once you get it, the CyberGhost VPN will now install. Will redirect you to your Play Store and then install the CyberGhost VPN for you. So the moment it's installed, then you can simply log in because we've already created an account. As you can see, we've already created an account with CyberGhost. So you just have it in your phone, and then once you have it on your Android phone, then you can log in and then use the CyberGhost VPN because you already have an account. So guys, that's actually how to use the CyberGhost VPN on Android. So if you got any value from this video, kindly give it a like and also subscribe. And remember guys, the link to CyberGhost VPN is going to be in the description of this video. Make sure you check it out for a discount. So that will be it for this video.